Assalamu alaikum. Welcome viewers. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you a new device. This is a smart plug. You can see here. Um, this is the packet, and this plug is blinking right here. I have connected with the power source, and you see this plug. This is a light. So today I will show you how to connect this smart plug with your iOS device. I will connect it with my iPhone, and after that how to control it. And after the after completion of the setup, I will show you how to um, turn it on and off just using your phone. Okay, and now let's start with the setup first. You see, this is the box, and you'll find a user manual here. Quite nicely it is in details. You'll find the overview of how the setup. So and this is basically a Wi-Fi smart socket. That means your phone must be connected with 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi source. Okay, why I'm saying this 2.4 gigahertz? Because I have a router which actually supports two bands. One is 5 gigahertz and another one is 2.4 gigahertz. However, this smart plug only supports 2.4 gigahertz. It means if you're connected with 5 gigahertz network, it won't work. You have to switch it to 2.4 gigahertz. Okay, let's start with this manual first. You see, quite nicely it is showing the details of this device and also the setup process. You can ignore this setup process from the manual because I'll show you anyway in live, because I have found myself a little bit hard when I have started to get connected with this smart plug by using this manual. Okay, now you see this box actually showing that this is a barcode. I will show you how to use this one. Actually you can download the apps through this barcode, and you see this one actually supports an app. You can find it from Google Play Store and also Apple Store. And the voice command, it actually supports Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. You see that. Okay, now I will read the barcode. You see, just you tap on here, it will redirect you to the apps. And I actually already have I have downloaded these apps already, so I'll just open and I'll show you the setup. This is the apps you can see here. It has quite many options. So now I will first show you how to set it up, then I'll go through the go through different options. Okay, so now we want to set this smart plug. You have to press add device first. Okay, then you'll see there are quite many options. Smart sorry, we have to select socket Wi-Fi. Now I've selected this one. Now you have to go for manual input, and here you see the apps is actually showing that you must have to get connected with 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi signal, not 5 gigahertz. Now in manual setup, you have to write your Wi-Fi name, and you have to put your Wi-Fi password here. I'm putting my Wi-Fi password, just a moment. After you input your Wi-Fi password, just you press done, and then you press next, and then next again, and next again. Okay, now just trying to find the device. I think I have to press and hold this one. I'm exiting from the setup. I will start setup again. What I basically did is when I found that this new device is not discoverable, I just restart this device so that I can pair it again. So let's see, it is showing that powered on. Okay, now it is showing that device added successfully. Now just press done. Now I have this one. Yes, now this is working. You see, when I add this one up, I just put this one off. Now power on, power off, again power on, power off. Okay, now let me show you how many options it actually has. Here you can see the timer. You can add schedule here, say like in a week which time you want to. Here's the time, and you can find the days here. Days in a week and the time you can select, and just you can you schedule it, and this smart plug will follow your schedule. Okay, and also this the settings. Basically those are the functions. Actually the thing I want to share, when I first time I tried to pair this one up with this apps, I had the same problem. Say when pairing was not completed and this power was like this, turn off, and I was really confused how to turn this one on. So guys, I wish you enjoyed this video and it might help you out to if you have this device, you can easily set this device up by watching this video. And if you like this video, or if you have any questions related to this device, just write comments on the comment section. I will definitely answer you. So I wish you luck and success, and no more today. I will come back with a new video next time.